Alright, just wanted to do just a quick video on my dash cam, inside and outside view of the car. I've had it for almost a year now. It'll be a year February 13th. It's a 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 SE. Haven't had any problems with the car. I love it. Always average, usually when I fill up in the low 40s for an average, and I do mostly city driving, some highway, so fuel economy is excellent on it. It's a little windy out today, so you might hear some wind noise, and if you hear any rattling, it's the thing sitting on my dashboard. But anyway, I just wanted to do like a quick review of the car overall. Since I got it, I've added center console armrest that's Mitsubishi, the piano finish that goes around the gear shifter console, and the two outer air vents to match the rest. I added the chrome mirrors and door handles. I added the OEM rocker side sill moldings down both sides, which really, made the car look a lot better. I have the chrome fog light surrounds, the Mitsubishi window visors for all four doors, some Mitsubishi scuff plates and valve stem caps, and then I added the Mitsubishi carpeted cargo mat. And I also have the Mitsubishi all-weather floor mats, but in the front I have the WeatherTech floor liners for the winter. So I've added a good bit to the car. I think I pretty much have everything on it that I want now. It came with the factory rear spoiler on it. Other than that, it comes loaded with heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, outside temperature gauge, cruise control, pretty much everything. Auto dimming rear view mirror, link. So you can't beat the features on it, and the G4 has a ton of room in it. The back seat's huge, and it's got a fold-down armrest with cup holders. I owned a 2015 Mirage hatchback ES with the navigation and backup camera package, and I owned it for just shy of 2 years. No issues with it. That was the reason I got another one. I loved it. Just when they come out with the updates on the 17s, I was going to get a GT hatch, but I saw this, and it was $18,115, and I got it for $12,714. So I couldn't pass up that deal. The GT I was looking at was a black one, and it was, I think, $17,800, and it was marked down to, I think, $13,100. So I ended up going with the G4 because I like the light color interior and the wine red color. But like I said, overall, very happy with the car. Haven't had a single issue. Can't really say I have any complaints with it. The G4 does ride a little better on the highway because it weighs about 140 to 150 pounds more than my 2015 hatchback did. This weighs 2,194, and my hatchback weighed 2,051. Now I do notice about 2 to 3 miles to the gallon less in the G4, I guess because of the weight, and it's like 0.2, drag coefficient is 0.2 less than what the hatch is. So it does make a little difference, but it's also got the 15-inch alloy wheels, which look really nice on the G4 SE, because they're like dark titanium. And also with the G4 SE, you get the upgraded seat material, which is like really padded and like a suede type feeling. The material in the G4 ES is really basic. It even like ripples. I'm not sure why they did that. Because the seat material in the hatchbacks is good, but if you look at a G4 ES, kind of check out the seat material first before you decide whether to go with the ES or the SE G4. But like I said, you can pretty much, get the G4 SE for the price of an ES or cheaper with rebates and so on. But you can't get, a manual transmission in the SE, which I wanted a CVT, so it worked for me. But for 2018, on the base models, they added a touchscreen radio to the Mirage and Mirage G4 with the backup camera standard. They moved the USB port to the center console out of the glove box, which I prefer in the glove box. Keeps my stuff out of the way and the console not cluttered. But they did do that. And you have a little fold-down armrest on upper trims, like the SE and the GT. The only thing is, with the fold-down armrest, it makes you unable to get this console armrest, which gives you more storage. Now, you can still put this on one of the base model, you know, Mirage and G4, but you can't put this on the upper trims because it's got a fold-down armrest standard. I mean, it's cool that they added that, but I think they just should have put this one in because it gives you more storage. You know, it gives an extra cup holder in the back. But other than that, just wanted to do a quick video. I'll do an outside video here soon to show all the stuff I've added to the car. But pretty much just wanted to go over, now that I've owned it about a year, that I am happy with it and there's nothing I'd change about it. And, you know, I will buy another one in probably about 2 years. So just wanted to do a video. Hey, thanks.